Here, Spyglass Property Inspections. It's been a little while. I'm doing an inspection on a townhome in the Northbrook area, and I just wanted to fill you guys in on a little thing that I just came across. If you come over, I am looking at the washer and dryer in the basement, as well as the slop sink. Well, if you come over to the right, I have a pit here. This pit is a sump pump, not an ejector pit. So if you come down, you can see that my slop sink and washer are actually draining into here. Unfortunately, we don't have the luxury to smell this horrific smell that is going on, but when you have an above grade plumbing system, which you're going to see here, and in order to have a washer and a slop sink down in the basement, you need a thing called an ejector pit. An ejector pit acts completely different than a sump pump. It will be a pit very similar to this. It will have a discharge, which I see here, but there should be another pump next to this that is a vent stack. And then that top should be sealed, because when you are discharging wash machines and slop sinks, that is called gray water, otherwise known as dirty water, and it is not vented and it smells horrific. So, just another tip from Spyglass Property Inspections: never have your waste lines draining into a sump pump. Have a great day, guys, and we can be reached at 847-920-6699. Have a great day.